Ethan? You see him?
Irvine Regional Park, 115 years old. 477 acres.
Look at the ducks.
The stone monument to the right was part of the original entrance to the park.
Ethan, it's so cool that it's Gabriel's first train ride.
Yes.
Yeah, you get to sit right next to him.
I think
Oh.
people didn't like when the ding ding started to go down and it went ding 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 ding. I think Gabby didn't like when the ding ding did the loud noises.
Really? Well, I think he likes it now. It's nice and
The
quiet.
boathouse is the oldest building in the park, built in 1914. Paddleboat and land bike rentals are available there. The boathouse is open every day. All the rental equipment is new.
Hey Ethan, can you give baby Gaby a kiss, please?
I can just so much to
Yeah.
do.
One more time. There you go. Hi, baby Gaby. Hi, baby Gaby.
The Orange County Zoo is right here in the park. The zoo features rescued animals native to southwestern United States. General admission to the zoo is only $2 and children 2 years and younger are free. You belong in a zoo. The Orange County Zoo.
Hey, Ethan, do you like sitting in the caboose?
Was the train built new for this one? Yes, we bought the train. And what was the manufacturer? Do you have one engine or do you have spare? Yes, I think they are. The propane. We just moved from Monterey, and up there they have a steam train that's 1/3 gauge. That used to be 1915 San Francisco.
Three historical buildings to your left, built in 1929. The first building, a museum and interpretive center. The second building was a soda fountain many years ago. And the last building, an outdoor theater. That's where we set up Santa. You can check out our Christmas train at IrvineParkRailroad.com. The bronze statue, James Irvine II. The gentleman that gave Orange County the first 160 acres to get the regional park system started.
Because you might drop it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be really careful. Hey, say hi to Gaby.
Hi, Katie.
their tails up. Their tails are down. They're behind the tree over there. You might be able to see the feathers. Up there's a couple. They tell us to go after them. There's the little boy, dude.
At the far side of the lake on a platform, you'll see a Civil War era cannon guarding a Spanish-American War monument. The monument honors the crew of the battleship Maine. The cannon was built in 1853, arriving here in 1926.
Bye.
Yes, they're ready bikes. So that's a good dude.
We'll be entering the tunnel. A reminder on those arms and legs. It's the Friendly Ghost Tunnel. Hope you're enjoying our pumpkin patch.
Hear that, Ethan? It's the Friendly Ghost Tunnel.